Welcome users to Intelligent Developer. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to start up a free website, lesson 1. So guys, click on the subscribe button and stay tuned for this video. Now the easiest step to do this is using the website called Blogger, and it's actually free. You can start it free. So locate your browser. I'm going to be using Chrome for this video, so please click on the Chrome and you will now head towards what I'm about to do. So okay, let's go there. I've choose my Chrome browser, then search www.blogger.com. Now then click on the enter button, then you appear in a page like this. You create a new blog. Now click on create new blog, choose the Google account you want to use for it. I'm choosing this one because I'll be starting this afresh. Now enter the title. This is very important. You don't have to mess with this part. Enter a reasonable title. Yes, this title is very good for SEO, so use a reasonable title. So I'm going to use Learn Developing as my title. Then click on the next. This address is like saying www.social.com. So I'm going to be using Intelligent Developing, also something better that will make me rank fast. So very soon I'll teach you how to remove this .blogspot, which is from free, to .com or .ng, .io, anything you want to use. So click the next button and see whether it's available. Okay, now enter a display name. This display name is also a name called an author, the author of the web, like someone that is posting on it. So I'll be using my name, then click finish. Wow, congratulations, it's just got account created. Now then go to the setting options. When you are done with all this, cancel all this, they are not necessary. These are the notifications that actually gives you when you create it. If you think it's reasonable for you to read it, you can actually read it yourself. So now click on the drawer, go to the settings. Yeah, go to the settings. Then the most important thing is the description. So enter a description for this particular web. Now enter a description, write something that when users read it, they will feel that this is a website that I was actually waiting for, or this website actually has the content I need. So in this process I'll be writing a description of not less than 80 or more than some words in it, or less than, due to how the video is going to be long. So I'll be trying to make this very short. So users, please click on the subscribe button and like the video if you find it interesting, and comment so that I can get more updates on it. So users, write a description. So this is actually the first step of creating it free. Then click on the save button. Then when you are done with that, you will now see that your descriptions appears well. Now you can see the favicon and some more settings here. Here we have more than 40 settings, but you won't touch any one, so I'll be creating video for this setting one after the other. So here I'm going to enter the, let's call it the number of posts to appear. Then I will now go more. You see, yes, you can see adult content and things like that, monetization. So you can actually make more money from the website and other things. It's okay. Now I'm done with this. I'll be heading towards my drawer again, and I'll be visiting the earning aspect. This is where you are going to be seeing your money, how much you are earning from your blog daily. So this is the monetization section, and this is also the part that is very important. Now this is the web, how it's gonna look like, just like this. But trust me, on my next video I'm going to customize this. So if you have not watched the part 2, check the video description. You are going to see the lesson 2 on how to design it. Very nice. Here we have a lot of free themes in Blogger, but we are going to be buying our own theme. So I have free theme for you to use. I will actually get the theme and give you a free version to use. So just check out the layout. These are the layouts of the site. So this is the lesson 1. So check the video description and watch the lesson 2 and subscribe. Thanks for watching.